Hello everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to fetch the data in Deno. Let's get coding and let's make some API requests to our API from Deno. So, we are going to start by making a function to download rocket data from api.spacex.com. Here is the URL for that. So, we'll be considering this URL. I'll show you how to fetch the data. So, let's name the function as download rocket data. Okay, let's call out this function download rocket data. Okay, let's make this function async and this one is await. Okay, so inside of this function we are going to make a request using the fetch API. Fetch. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and copy this URL and copy paste it here. Okay, so in our case, at the point of recording this video, the version was v3 and we are pointing to the rockets collection. So the default to is the HTTP GET request, but if you wanted to do, we could also do a post request by passing the method something like this, post. Okay, and we can also pass in the body and pass in a stringify object. Okay, but in our case it's a get request. Get request. So this is how you pass the method. Let me put inside the parenthesis bracket, flower bracket. Okay, and we can use the response.json. Let's assign this to the variable to response constant. Response is equal to JSON and this to the variable constant rocket data. Okay, let's console this log data. Rocket data. Okay, let's make this await. Okay, now I missed the semicolon here and then over here and then over here too. Let me save this program and go ahead and run. Let me say Deno run hello net, but this time we are going to be extra specific about which URL we are allowing to request to. So instead of allowing our API to make request to any site on the internet, we are going to pass in the URL. So in our case it's an api.spacexdata.com and the file name. Okay, there is some error expected in the line number 6. Oops. Oops, I missed the parenthesis. Okay, let me go and say rerun. Okay, let's add the semicolon over here, and you see the async spelling is wrong. It's ASSYNCK. Okay, let's save and go ahead and run this program and check whether it works. Oops. Okay, let's make this as a wait. Cool. Let's save and rerun this. Okay, boom, it works. You see the JSON objects response you got here. Yeah, this is all guys for this video. Let's explore more in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.